Alright, 2010 Chevy Cobalt LT 2.2 liter oil change. That's the oil type 5W30. Oil dipstick. This thing is gonna take 5 quarts. So down here, we're gonna come through and you're gonna need a 15mm socket for the oil drain plug, which is right there. Alright, pretty much. The oil filter is gonna be up there, alright, on top, poles. This is a 2.2 liter engine, 2010 Chevy Cobalt LT. Alright, it's gonna take 5 quarts. Say it again. 5 quarts. 5W30. It's up to you if you want to pull full synthetic or regular oil. Alright, let's get it. Alright, you want to get to the oil filter, lift this. There it is. You know how to put the oil filter, just get the new one. Yeah. The oil ring, gotta go over here. Alright, lube it, put it back, pretty much. Oh, this is what I'm using right now. Pro Tune oil filter, part number 348, the last 3. That's how I guide myself. I put the oil, 5 quarts, 5W30. Like I said, it's up to you if you want full synthetic. This is a 2.2 liter engine. All right. Take this off, put the oil cap back, and you're Gucci. Pretty much. That's it.